If you want to protect your website forms from spam, bots, fake submissions, and automated attacks, then this video is exactly for you. Today we are building a complete Google reCAPTCHA implementation from start to finish, and this is not just one small example. In this complete guide, we will learn how to use Google reCAPTCHA v2 and Google reCAPTCHA v3 in both React projects and PHP projects. That means by the end of this video, you will clearly understand what reCAPTCHA is, how it works, how to create your site keys, how to connect it to your front-end, how back-end verification works, and how to implement it in real projects. We will build everything step by step. I also added timestamps, so if you want any specific section, you can jump directly to that part. And I've added all the project files, complete source code, and step-by-step documentation in the video description. You can also check the GitHub repository, download the full project, and follow my GitHub for more practical web development projects and updates. Now let's get started. Before we write any code, let us quickly understand what reCAPTCHA actually is. Google reCAPTCHA is a security service provided by Google. Its main purpose is to protect websites from bots and fake automated requests. For example, imagine your contact form. Without protection, bots can automatically submit spam messages again and again. This can fill your database with fake entries and even overload your server. reCAPTCHA helps stop that. Google provides two common versions, version 2 and version 3. Version 2, usually the I am not a robot checkbox, sometimes image verification. This is visible to users. reCAPTCHA v3 works silently in the background. It gives each user a score based on behavior. No checkbox is shown. Version 2 is easier for beginners. Version 3 is more professional for production projects. Open your browser. Search Google reCAPTCHA Admin Console. Open the official Google result. Log in using your Google account. Now click Register a new site. You will see a form. First field is Label. Here enter any project name. For example, codewithlasa demo. Now choose your reCAPTCHA type. If you want visible checkbox, select Challenge V2, then choose I'm not a robot checkbox. If you want invisible background protection, select Score-based V3. Next field is Domains. This is important. If you are working locally, simply enter localhost. Do not enter https://localhost. Only localhost. This allows your local project to use these keys. If later your project goes live, you can add your real domain. Then accept terms and click Submit. Google will generate two keys, site key and secret key important. The site key is used in front-end code. The secret key is used only in back-end verification. Never expose your secret key in front-end code. Now, let us move into our React project. Open Terminal. Install package, npm, install React-Google-reCAPTCHA. Once installed, open your contact page component. Import reCAPTCHA. Now, inside your component, create state for CAPTCHA value. This will store verification response. Next, inside your form, place the reCAPTCHA component above Submit button. Add your site key. Now, update your Submit handler. Before submitting form, check if CAPTCHA is completed. If user has not verified, show alert. If CAPTCHA is verified, continue form submission. Now save and run project. Open browser. Try submitting without checking CAPTCHA. It should block submission. Now verify checkbox and submit again. This confirms reCAPTCHA v2 is working. This is the easiest way to protect React forms. Now let us implement version 3. Version 3 is different. There is no checkbox. Install package, npm, install react-google-reCAPTCHA-v3. Once installed, open your contact page component. Import reCAPTCHA. Next, open your main React file. Wrap your application with Google reCAPTCHA Provider. Pass your v3 site key. Now, inside your contact component, use execute reCAPTCHA. When form is submitted, call execute reCAPTCHA. This generates a token. Now, here is the important concept. React Frontend only generates token. It cannot verify token securely. Why? Because verification requires secret key, and secret key must stay on backend. So, in front-end-only projects, we usually generate token and send it to backend. For this demo, we can display token in console. This proves reCAPTCHA is working. In real production applications, token is sent to backend for verification. Now let us move to PHP project. This is where full verification becomes possible. Open your contact page. Inside head section, add Google reCAPTCHA script. Now place reCAPTCHA widget above submit button. Add your site key. Next, open your backend processing file. Page top, add your secret key. When form submits, get g-reCAPTCHA-response. Now send this response to Google Verification API using your secret key. Google will return success or failure. If successful, continue processing form. If failed, show error message. This is real backend verification, and this same logic works for any backend language. The concept is always the same. Get token, send token to Google, Google verifies, then allow or block request. Now let us implement version 3. Version 3 is cleaner because no visible checkbox appears. Load reCAPTCHA v3 script with your site key. Before form submit, execute reCAPTCHA. This generates token. Attach token to form submission. Now in backend process file, verify token with Google using secret key. Google returns score. Usually if score is above 0.5, we allow request. If below threshold, reject request. This makes your website smarter. It silently detects suspicious traffic. That is the complete Google reCAPTCHA implementation guide. The complete source code for this project is available on my GitHub. Check the link in the description, download the project, and if it helps you, don't forget to star the repository and follow my GitHub for more project updates. If this video helped you understand reCAPTCHA clearly, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to codewithlasa for more practical web development tutorials, and comment below what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.